The Rabbits are here in New England, and we came across the Crawford House. Abel Crawford and son Ethan Allen Crawford built the first Crawford House in 1829. It was run by Ethan's brother, Thomas, until sold in 1852. Fires in 1854 and 1859 destroyed the original inn and a replacement. Colonel Cyrus Eastman erected the third and present Crawford House. It opened July 1859 to continue a tradition of hospitality to White Mountain visitors. Among them have been Daniel Webster, Nathaniel Hawthorne, John Greenleaf Whittier, and President Pierce, Grant, Hayes, Garfield, and Harding. Hope you enjoyed this presentation.